Hello everyone, welcome to my English language course. Our today's topic is articles. This is a very simple chapter included in basic grammar. But still this is very important for all the students of primary as well as secondary school. So please watch the whole video so that many of your doubts will be cleared. You know that nouns are the words which name the persons, places, things or ideas. While talking, we make use of a, an or the. Actually, these are the adjectives which are used when called articles. We have two types of articles, indefinite and definite. Now let us see these articles one by one. A or an is called the indefinite article because it does not point out any particular person or thing. Then how can we define indefinite article? An article which does not point out any particular person or thing is called the indefinite article. Okay, so a or an is called the indefinite article. Now, definite article. The is called the definite article. Why? Because it points out definite person or thing. Means what is the definition of definite article? The article which points out definite person or thing or a specific person or thing is called the definite article. Okay, so is this clear to you? Indefinite article, a or an, and definite article, the. Now see here, I have written some words beginning with a consonant or consonant sound. These are the nouns. Here are the nouns beginning with a vowel or vowel sound. Now let us study these words and let us study how to make use of a and an. You know that there are 26 letters in English. Out of them, 5 are the vowels. Which are these 5 vowels? You know this very well. You have studied that there are 5 vowels and they are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, how many letters are remaining then? 21 letters. And these 21 letters are called consonants. Okay, now this is a very basic thing. Now how to make use of a or an before the nouns? So the first and a very simple rule is that if a noun begins with a consonant and it is singular in number, we should make use of a. And if a noun is singular and it begins with a vowel sound, we have to make use of an. But sometimes, even though the word or the noun begins with a consonant, still we make use of an, and sometimes a noun begins with a vowel and still we make use of o. Then why is it so? If you watch the full video, you will understand this. See here now, this thing will be clear to you. Here I have written some nouns. Some words are written here beginning with consonant or consonant sound. And here are some words or some nouns beginning with a vowel or vowel sound. Let us study these words now. See here, cat, dash, bat, dash, man, dash, horse, dash, bell. Now let us study how these words begin. C-A-T, cat. C is a consonant B is a consonant, M is a consonant, and H is a consonant. P is also a consonant. Now, cat, bat, man, horse, pen. All these words are singular in number. And so, as a rule, we have to make use of an article of here. A cat, a bat, a man, a horse, and a pen. Okay, so what you have understood from this? Number 1, first letter is consonant. C, B, N, H, P. These are the consonants. Then they begin with consonant sound. So K, B, M, H, P. These are the consonant sounds. And so we have to make use of article O here. Find them. So from this, we can understand that if a noun is singular in number, begins with a consonant or a consonant sound, we should make use of the article O. The meaning of O or an is one. Whenever we talk about only one person or thing, we should make use of the article, the indefinite article O or an. Find it. Now here I have written some words. I am reading these words now. Dash union, dash university, dash European, dash useful thing, dash usage, dash one-eyed man, dash 1 rupee note. You can see here that every word begins with a vowel. So what should be the article before the sounds? Should it be an or a? As per our rule, when a noun begins with a vowel, we should make use of the article an. But can we do this here? No. Because even though these words begin with vowels, they do not sound as vowels. See here now, U, N, I, O, N. U is a vowel. Okay, U is a vowel, but when you pronounce it as U, it is not a vowel, it is a consonant. Okay, so we have to make use of the article O here. Find that? In the same way, here university, university. U is not a vowel. Later U is a vowel. It is a vowel, but when we pronounce it as U, it is not a vowel. Okay, this does not sound as a vowel, and so we have to make use of the article O here. O university. In the same way, here European, EUROPEAN, European. We cannot say an European because again the same thing is here. U is not a vowel. The sound U is not a vowel. Which sounds are the vowels? A, E, U, E. These are the sounds which are called the vowel sounds. And U is not included in these sounds. U is not a vowel sound. Later U is a vowel, but sound U is not a vowel sound. And so, you have to make use of A here. A useful thing. Again, the same thing is here. And so, you have to say a useful thing, a usage. the matter with these two words? See this word O-N-E, that is one-eyed man. No doubt, O-N-E means one. Okay, the word begins with a vowel, that is O. But do we pronounce the word as on? No, we say one. The sound that we get here is W and not O. No doubt, O is a vowel sound. But when we pronounce this word, it is one. Means the sound we get here is W sound. W-A, W sound. And W is not a vowel sound. It is a consonant sound, and so we have to make use of the article a here. And then a one-eyed man. In the same way, 1 rupee note. We do not say on rupee note. Don't forget this. O-N-E. It is one. It is not on. Okay? O is a vowel sound, but W is not a vowel sound. It's a consonant sound, and so we have to make use of the article here. Oh. So all these are the nouns, and we have made use of the article over here. How you have studied here. Fine then, I hope that this you have understood. See here now, I have written some words, means nouns, beginning with a vowel or a vowel sound. Pay attention, I am reading the words one by one. See, number 1, dash orange. Number 2, dash uncle, dash apple, dash elephant, dash inkpot. Now let us study these words. The first word begins with a letter O. And here the sound is O because we pronounce the word as orange. Okay? Second word begins with a letter U and the sound here is O. Okay, we say uncle. Then the third word begins with a letter A and the sound here is A. Apple. Then this word begins with a letter E and the sound is A. That is elephant. And the fifth word begins with a letter I and the sound is E. Okay, that is inkpot. Miss, from this you can understand that each word begins with a vowel. Not only this, but the sound of every letter is also a vowel sound. In short, these are the words beginning with a vowel and vowel sound. So, as a rule, it is clear that we have to make use of the article an here. An orange, an uncle, an apple, an elephant, and inkpot. Okay, I hope that this is clear to you. Now, let us study the second group. That is a word from 6 to 11. Okay, pay attention. I am reading the words. See the nouns here. Dash honest man. Dash R. Dash heir. Dash MA. Dash SP. Dash honor. Now, this word, that is honest man, begins with a letter H. H is a consonant and here we pronounce the word as honest. Means which is the sound here? O. We say honest man. We do not say honest man. We say honest man. So the word begins here with consonant, but the sound is O. That is vowel sound. Okay. The second word is HOUR. R, and pronounce the word as R. Okay, so H letter is a consonant and the sound is R, that is a vowel sound. Then H-E-I-R, we do not say hair, we say air. Okay, so here the sound is A, which is a vowel. See this word now, M-A. This is a degree. Okay, and here we do not say yum, we say M. Okay, and here the sound is M. Okay, M. M, we say M, and it is a vowel sound. Then this is SP. So what is the sound here? S. Means it is a vowel sound. A is a vowel sound. And the last word is honor. H-O-N-O-U-R. H is a consonant, but we pronounce the word as honor, means here the sound is vowel. So from this you can say that these are the words beginning with a consonant but a vowel sound. And so as a rule, when a word or when a noun begins with a consonant sound, we have to make use of the article an. And so here we are going to write an. So see here I am writing an are, an honest, an heir, an ma, an sp, an honor. Fine. Okay, so is this clear to you? Now I would like to tell you something related to this. Some native speakers of English make use of the article an before the words beginning with a letter H when the accent is on the second syllable. For example, say this word H-O-T-E-L. We pronounce the word as hotel, but how do they pronounce? They say hotel. Here the stress, the accent is on the second syllable. They say hotel. Or it's a vowel sound, and so they make use of the article an. Same is the case with this word H-I-S-T-O-R-I-C-A-L, novel. We pronounce this word as historical novel. How do they say? They say historical novel. Means again the stress, the accent is on the second syllable, and so they make use of the article an. But here I would like to tell you that it is more appropriate and useful to write a hotel and a historical novel instead of an hotel and an historical novel. Okay, because if you write an hotel, it will be wrong. Okay, now it will not be accepted. Okay, so don't forget this. I hope that you have understood. So today we have studied the use of the indefinite articles. Which are the indefinite articles? A and an. I repeat that if a noun is singular in number and it begins with a consonant or a consonant sound, we should make use of the article a. In the same way, if a noun is singular in number and if it begins with a vowel or a vowel sound, we should make use of the article and there. Okay, don't forget this. In the next lecture, we will study the use of the definite article the. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.